This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin inside settings so you can change Siri's voice and commands. Open settings, tap Siri and search, then make sure Listen for Hey Siri is enabled. This gives you voice input access. Once done, enable press side button for Siri if you prefer a physical trigger. You're preparing the input methods first because modifying voice options requires Siri active. Make sure Bluetooth or headphones are disconnected for accurate voice tuning, and keep your iPhone nearby so you can test changes immediately. You'll now pick the actual voice and language so Siri responds the way you want. Tap Siri Voice and choose a variety and gender. These affect tone and pronunciation. Then set language to match how you naturally speak. This improves command recognition and reduces errors. If the phone prompts to download a voice, allow it so Siri works offline and sounds consistent. Make sure you test a few commands aloud after each change to confirm recognition and natural phrasing. Finish by personalizing and testing so commands stick. Set voice feedback to control spoken responses and confirm my information for personal contacts. Speak several commands. Call, text, set timer. This trains Siri's recognition. If Siri mishears you, go back and rerun Listen for Hey Siri to retrain the voice model. If problems persist, toggle Siri off and on or reset network settings. This often clears recognition glitches. Finally, restart the device and test again to ensure changes are fully applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.